Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet some adorable baby booties. These booties are perfect for newborn and babies up to 6 months old. They are made with soft washable yarn and they are easy to crochet even if you are beginners. Viewers, in this video I am not only share ideas of baby booties but also share ideas of baby caps and baby rompers. How to make full set of babies crochet work. Viewers, here are some ideas for crochet baby booties design. Simple stripes. This is classic design that is always popular. You can use any color of yarn that you like. Animal print. These are a funny way to add some personality to your booties. You can use a variety of different animal prints such as zebra, leopard or giraffe. Fairy style pattern. They are intricate patterns that are made of multiple colors. They can be a bit more challenging to crochet, but they are definitely worth the effort. Solid color. Sometimes the best design is a simple solid color. You can use any color that you like. You can match the booties with your baby outfit. No matter what you design choose, I'm sure your baby love their new booties. Here are some tips for crochet baby booties. Use a soft washable yarn. This is important because baby skin is sensitive. Use a size edge crochet hook. This is most common size for crocheting baby booty. Start with a small gauge. This will help the booties fit snugly on the baby feet. Sew the booties cloth with a tapestry needle and thread. This will make the booties more durable. I hope viewers you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet work tutorials and more crochet work ideas like baby booties ideas, baby frock ideas and their tutorial. Previously I uploaded tutorial of crochet work baby booties that are very popular. I hope you saw